You don't need to be a celebrity to be a YouTuber. You don't even need to show your face. Faceless YouTube channels are exploding in popularity. People are creating engaging content using animation, voiceovers, and screen recordings. This opens up a world of possibilities. You can share your knowledge, passion, or creativity without ever stepping in front of a camera. There are many benefits to running a faceless channel. You can overcome camera shyness. You can protect your privacy. You can focus on the content itself. You can also experiment with different personas and styles. It's liberating. It's empowering. It's the future of content creation. Think about it. You could create an animated series. You could share educational videos. You could build a community around your unique perspective. The possibilities are endless. And the best part is, you can do it all without ever revealing your identity. Every great YouTube video starts with a great script. The script is the foundation of your content. It outlines the narrative, the key points, and the tone of your video. Writing a compelling script can be time-consuming, but AI tools can help you streamline the process. AI-powered script writing tools can generate ideas, create outlines, and even write full scripts. These tools are trained on massive data sets of text. They can understand different writing styles and tones. You can input your topic and key points. The AI will generate a script tailored to your needs. Let's say you want to create a video about the history of coffee. You can use an AI script writing tool to generate an outline. The tool will break down the topic into key periods and events. It might suggest sections on the origins of coffee, its spread across the world, and its cultural impact. Once you have an outline, you can use the AI tool to flesh out each section. You can refine the language, add your own insights, and ensure the script flows smoothly. AI is a powerful tool for script writing. It can save you time and help you create engaging content.
You have a great script. Now you need a voice to bring it to life. You could hire a voice actor, but there's a more accessible option: text-to-speech software. Text-to-speech, TTS software converts written text into spoken audio. It's like having a virtual voice actor at your fingertips. TTS software has come a long way. The voices are now incredibly realistic and expressive. You can choose from a wide range of voices, accents, and languages. You can customize the pitch, speed, and tone to match your content. Imagine you're creating a video about space exploration. You could use TTS software to generate a voiceover with a deep, authoritative voice. This would add a sense of wonder and excitement to your video. Or you could use a cheerful, upbeat voice for a video about cooking. The possibilities are endless. TTS software is affordable and easy to use. It gives you the power to create professional-sounding voiceovers without any prior experience.
Visuals are just as important as audio. They capture attention. They enhance storytelling. They make your content more engaging. For a faceless YouTube channel, animation is key. Animation software allows you to create visuals without needing to film anything. There are many different animation software programs available. Some are complex and require advanced skills. Others are more user-friendly, designed for beginners. Choose a program that fits your budget and technical abilities. You can start with a simple program and gradually upgrade as you gain experience. Let's say you want to create a video about the benefits of meditation. You could use animation software to create simple visuals. You could show a character sitting in a lotus position. You could use visual metaphors to represent calmness and focus. Animation software gives you the freedom to bring your ideas to life. You can create characters, environments, and stories. You can experiment with different styles and effects.
You have your script, your audio, and your visuals. Now it's time to bring them all together. This is where the magic happens. This is where your content comes to life. Use a video editing software to combine your elements. You can find free and paid video editing software online. Start by importing your audio track, then add your visuals. You can arrange the visuals to match the flow of the audio. You can add transitions, sound effects, and background music. Think of yourself as a film director. You are orchestrating all the elements to create a cohesive and engaging experience. You are telling a story. You are sharing your knowledge. You are connecting with your audience. This is the most creative part of the process. Experiment, have fun, find your own style.
Your content is ready. Now you need a platform to share it. You need a YouTube channel. Setting up a YouTube channel is easy. You can do it in a few minutes. First, create a Google account. Then go to YouTube and click on Create a Channel. Choose a channel name that reflects your content. Select a profile picture and banner image. These are the first things viewers will see. Write a compelling channel description. Tell viewers what your channel is about. What kind of content can they expect? Why should they subscribe? Your channel is your online home. Make it welcoming, make it informative, make it your own.
You've launched your channel. You've uploaded your first video. Now you need to make sure people can find it. This is where keywords and tags come in. Keywords and tags help YouTube understand what your video is about. Keywords are the words or phrases people use to search for videos on YouTube. Do your research. Use tools like Google Trends to identify relevant keywords. Include these keywords in your video title, description, and tags. Tags are specific words or phrases that categorize your video. They help YouTube recommend your video to the right audience. Use a mix of broad and specific tags. Think about it. If someone searches for how to meditate, you want your video to show up in the results. By using relevant keywords and tags, you increase your chances of being discovered.
One video is a great start. But to build a successful YouTube channel, you need a content strategy. A content strategy is a plan for creating and publishing videos consistently. It helps you stay organized and focused. Decide how often you want to upload videos. Once a week, twice a week, be realistic. Choose a schedule you can stick to. Create a content calendar. This will help you plan ahead and stay on track. Brainstorm video ideas. What topics are you passionate about? What questions do your viewers have? What kind of content is popular in your niche? You can also use AI tools to generate content ideas. Consistency is key. The more videos you create, the more viewers you will attract. The more viewers you attract, the more successful your channel will become.
Your viewers are not just numbers. They are real people. They are interested in your content. They want to connect with you, engage with your audience, respond to comments, ask questions, run polls, create a sense of community. Encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel. Subscribers are your most loyal fans. They will be notified every time you upload a new video. Think of your channel as a two-way conversation. You are sharing your knowledge and passion. Your viewers are responding, asking questions, and sharing their thoughts. Building a community takes time and effort, but it's incredibly rewarding. It transforms your channel from a platform for broadcasting into a space for connection and interaction.
Faceless YouTube is here to stay. It's a growing trend. It's an exciting opportunity. AI tools are making it easier than ever to create high-quality content without showing your face. The possibilities are endless. You can share your knowledge. You can tell stories. You can build a business. You can connect with people from all over the world. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different formats. Find your own voice. Share your unique perspective with the world. Faceless YouTube is empowering. It's liberating. It's the future of content creation. It's your chance to shine. What are you waiting for?